Imagine this. You have zero video editing skills, no camera, and a tight deadline. But within 5 minutes, you generate a stunning video from just one sentence. And it looks like a pro team made it. Crazy, right? That's exactly what happened to me last week. And no, this isn't sci-fi. It's the power of today's insane AI video generators. Now, I'll be honest, none of these tools are fully free. You do get free credits to test them. But if you want to create something polished and professional, you may need to upgrade. Still, they are game changers. Stick around because I'm about to show you 5 tools that'll blow your mind. And tool 3, it's straight up magic. I'm Nairobi from BrightnUp. Let's dive in. The biggest bottleneck today? Content creation is overwhelming. Most people want to start a YouTube channel, make reels, or grow their business with video. But the second they open Premiere Pro or CapCut, they freeze. Too many steps, too much effort, not enough time. That's where these AI tools flip the script. They do the editing, voice, visuals, and music, all automatically. Coming up, the exact AI tool I use to turn a single image into a Hollywood-style viral video, KingAI. Tools for creating imaginative images and videos. Next generation AI Creative Studio. Let's log in to KingAI. After logging in, you'll see some creative suggestions automatically generated by KingAI. You will get some credits to try the features. Now click on the Experience section. Here you'll find 3 types of video generation options: text to video, image to video, and multi-element. Let's try the text to video option. Enter your prompt, then set the timing, aspect ratio, creativity, and relevance using below options. You can also enhance your prompt using the DeepSeek feature. Let's update the prompt with DeepSeek. I entered. A boy sits alone on a rooftop staring at the night sky with an old radio beside him. Now, click Generate. Wow, the AI created exactly what I described in the prompt. Let's try the image to video feature. I've already generated some images from different platforms. Let's upload them. Now you need to set the start frame and end frame. From the dictionary, select a camera angle to match your scene. Next, select the standard mode, then choose the timing and aspect ratio, just like before. Once everything is set, click Generate. Wow, the result looks like a Hollywood-style cinematic clip. You can now preview and download the video. I also created one where an astronaut floats in space and holds the moon, and the video came out amazing. Now let's take a look at the pricing plans. KingAI offers Basic, Standard, Pro, and Premier plans. You can choose a plan based on your needs. There are premium features available. Feel free to try them out and let me know in the comments. If you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. We're launching BrightnUp. Power your brand the bright way with AI. What we do at BrightnUp: 1. Digital products, ready to use. AI-powered templates and assets to boost your brand fast. 2nd, AI tool demos. Launching an AI product? We help showcase it to the world with pro demos. 3rd, UI UX design. 4th, social AI boost kit. Social banners, reels, ads, carousels, and more. 5th, YouTube creator kit. Thumbnails, scripts, captions, and edits. Everything you need to grow. 6th, Shopify AI starter kit. Branded store setup plus AI features with free theme. We have satisfied 500 plus happy clients. We're here to deliver high-quality results at affordable prices. No bank breaking needed. Let's build your brand the bright way. Feel free to connect with us. Coming up next, the exact AI tool I use to transform myself into a YouTube influencer. Let's explore RunWay, technology for a new era of media and storytelling. Click Get Started, and after logging in, you'll see options to generate videos, create animated characters, and generate images. Let's try the image to video feature. You can simply drag and drop an image or video. I describe the scene as avatars discussing a serious topic, avoiding direct zoom with natural hand movements. Next, select the camera movement. I chose static, and then selected a model. You can also set custom or dynamic camera movement, like close-up, fast motion. Select the duration and the aspect ratio. Click Generate, and you'll see how the avatar talks just like an influencer, with realistic gestures and hand movement. Now let's check out the lip sync feature. Go to All AI Tools, then select Lip Sync. Choose the video, upload your audio, and apply lip sync to match the voice with the avatar's speech. Click Generate. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and creative hacks. It works really well. Now let's take a quick look at the pricing plans. RunWay offers a free plan, Standard, Pro, Unlimited features, and an Enterprise option. You can choose a plan that fits your needs. Now, let me introduce you to an all-in-one platform where you get everything under one roof. It's called FreepikAI. Let's check out FreepikAI, a creative workspace powered by AI, all in one place. With FreepikAI, you don't need to switch between different platforms. Everything you need for AI content creation is available in a single dashboard. After logging in, you'll see tools like the AI image generator, video generator, upscale, retouch, lip sync, and more. All in one place. Let's try the video generator. The interesting part here is the video mode selection. From this section, you can explore the latest AI tool like KingAI, Google Video, RunWay, and more. Just select the mode, choose the camera movement, like pan, zoom, left to right, or pull out. Then type your prompt. The default video duration is 5 seconds. Click Generate, and the output looks great. Now let's try image to video. You can either upload an image or generate one directly from the platform. Let's try generating an image in Flux mode. It created 4 unique images. I like the first one, so let's move forward with that. FreepikAI automatically detects the subject in the image. Then select your preferred video mode. I chose King 2.0, pick a camera angle, and click Generate. The video came out really nice. Now just click Download to save it. But FreepikAI isn't limited to just video generation. You can also access vector illustrations, photos, icons, templates, and much more. Once you subscribe, you can download and use everything available. Now, let's look at the pricing plans. FreepikAI offers Essential, Premium, Premium Plus, and Pro plans, with both monthly and annual options. Let's explore HailuoAi or Minimax, transform ideas into visuals. After logging in, you'll receive some free credits to get started. Right away, you'll see a variety of templates already created by the platform. They look impressive and can serve as inspiration. Let's try it out. Just pass your prompt, and optionally add a reference image. You can also include keywords or tags to guide the generation. Click Generate. Once submitted, you can set preset style. From here, you can choose the distance, tone, and creative direction. Camera control like freedom, left circling. After a short wait, my visual is generated. Let's play it. The result looks great. You can download the video either with a watermark or without one, depending on your plan. Now let's try the text-to-video feature. Head over to the Video tab, enter your prompt, a person riding a yellow bicycle down a quiet suburban street at sunset, and the scene features, and select the recent style presets and camera controls. Click Create, and the tool will generate a video based on your description. Next, try the S2V feature, subject to reference. Just upload a photo and describe the scene. It will automatically detect the face in your image and animate it in the generated scene. For example, my prompt is floating rock formations, an island, and glowing jellyfish drifting in the air. After a few seconds, it brought the entire scene to life. Exactly as I imagined. Really impressive. Let me know how you like using this AI tool. Now, let's check the pricing plans. HailuoAi offers free standard, pro, and unlimited options. Start with the free plan and upgrade later based on your needs. Next tool, Google VEO 2. Just log in Google AI Studio. Let's begin by adding a prompt. A slow, dramatic dolly around the ship as it battles the turbulent waves, creating a sense of urgency and tension. Click Run. Let's quickly check the settings: number of results, aspect ratio, video duration and frames, and resolution. It's generated. Results is quite impressive. Let's try another one, this time by uploading an image and adding a prompt. Click Run. Wow, it turned out great. You can explore it too and let me know how it works for you. Google offers both a free plan and a pay-as-you-go option, so feel free to try it out. Listen, most people will watch this video, nod their heads, and scroll. But the ones who act? They'll start building an audience, income, and influence using AI. Don't overthink it. Pick one tool today, test it, post something. If I can go from text to stunning videos in minutes, so can you. Like and subscribe. Check out this video for viral thumbnail. See you in the next one.